There's actually birds out chirping today. I haven't heard the birds out for quite a while. How cool. Up these trees I'm going to walk. These roots. I'm out of breath. Oh gosh. Someday I'm going to wear my coat. I'm sorry if I'm breathing heavy. The grandkids had their bowling party today. Braden's high game for the season was 158, and Zayden's was 111, and Jasmine's was, I think it was 74. Of course, she uses the bumpers because she's not big enough to bowl in the big leagues. She's just in beginners. Hey everybody, just like on here and let everybody know that my daughter went to the specialist yesterday, and as long as nothing changes in her condition with her antibody, they're going to induce her on March the 23rd. She has to go back the next 2 Fridays. The first one will tell whether or not they'll have to take her sooner than that, because her antibody jumped from a 4 to a 128. So I'll know more next Friday. So if everybody could please keep her and my grandson in your prayers, hoping that everything goes smooth and nothing else happens between now and the time they take her in to deliver. His name's going to be Elijah. Hold on. His name is going to be Elijah, or whatever. Elijah. Anything to confuse this grandma. Elijah, I do believe is how you say it. Blooper, blooper, blooper. So, if you guys could please just keep us all in your prayers that everything goes good for her. So, I'm going to get off here and continue my hike on. I just want to let everybody know. Hopefully everything goes good March 23rd. I'll be a grandma for the 4th time. So, I hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. We sure are. Out here hiking along. See this tree here with all the carvings on it. How cool. Alright, well, hope everybody's having an awesome weekend. I'll talk to everybody later. I'm going to continue on with my video and take some pictures. Bye, guys. You can hear the water flowing over there. We've not walked this way before. We usually go the other way. But this time we came this way to see what was back in here. I'm glad we did. That's real pretty. Love the sound of that water. Oh yeah. Real pretty down there. Wait till all the green's on, it'll be better. Nice and pretty. That's a tall tree. And it's spiky. Another spiky. Oops, sorry. I don't know why I do that. Trip over my own feet. It's a real pretty day. A little chilly, but it's a nice day. Most normal people, if you wear a coat, it's not bad out. Guess I'm not normal. There's Jess surviving. Yep, he's with me. Here nature's animals, birds out there.